Backing up WhatsApp messages on Android is a straightforward process that ensures your conversations are safe and can be easily restored if needed. To start, open WhatsApp on your Android device and navigate to the Settings menu by tapping the three dots at the top right corner and selecting Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats and then select Chat Backup. This section allows you to configure your backup settings, including the frequency of automatic backups and the Google Drive account where your backups will be stored. To set up a Google Drive backup, tap on Backup to Google Drive and select the frequency of your backups, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. You will also need to select the Google account you want to use for the backup. Once you have configured your backup settings, tap on the Backup button to create a manual backup of your WhatsApp messages. This may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your chat history. It is also important to note that WhatsApp backups are stored in a private folder on Google Drive, and only the phone with the same phone number and Google account can access the backup. This ensures that your conversations remain private and secure. In addition to Google Drive backups, you can also use a local backup option to save your WhatsApp messages to your device's internal storage or an external SD card. To do this, go to the Chat Backup section and tap on the Local Backup option. To restore your WhatsApp messages from a backup, simply reinstall WhatsApp on your device and follow the prompts to restore from a backup. Make sure you are using the same phone number and Google account as before, and WhatsApp will automatically detect and restore your backup. By following these steps and configuring your WhatsApp backup settings, you can ensure that your messages are safe and easily recoverable in case you need to restore them. Regular backups are an essential part of maintaining your digital security and preventing data loss.